Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to unbox something that I had made for the truck. Here it is, a custom one-off tip made by Grille Technologies out of Florida. We're going to crack her open for you, show you what we got. Hopefully you guys like it. Alright, let's see what we got. I've seen a couple pictures of it. It's a custom tip. We'll see what she looks like here in just a second. That's just, damn it, man. There's like a whole crap ton of packing peanuts in this mug. Ah,
You got you good, Dev.
dang, man.
Alright, so we're going to dig through that and try not to make a mess, because I'm sure it's wrapped again.
Yeah, it's wrapped in plastic here, so I'm going to try to get rid of some of this stuff, and then we'll pull it out of the box.
Alright, you guys.
We're good? Alright, so here it is. I took a good chunk of the packaging peanuts. Thank you, Grille Tech, for securing it so well. Goodness. You guys see in the back corner here, we got a special guest today. This is Shelby in the back, playing on her tree. Alright. So, as you guys can see, or not see here, this is the new tip for the Powerstroke. It's kind of large and kind of in charge here. Look at this fucking thing. Look at this compared to me. This thing is freaking ginormous. Drop that right there. Set her there.
Shelby's coming to check out.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna set her in it. Gosh, I don't want to cut this freaking tip here. I don't want to cut the metal. There we go. Alright. Look at this. Look at this color. I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
Yeah.
Look at that color.
Pretty close to his bike, not exactly, but pretty dang close.
I'm sure once it gets dirty under there, it'll be really dang close. Alright. I'm not going to get defeated by some plastic wrap today, guys. Promise. Wow. Look at this freaking thing. What's that? Just packaging?
Mm-hmm. Nope.
Oh,
Hardware.
that's a clamp.
Yep.
Cool. Wow. Look at this thing. You guys see that? If anybody knows me here in real life, I'm a big Superman guy. I've got tattoos, shirts, you name it, I've got it. So I decided to get something custom made. Only me and my crew would know about. This here is a 4-inch. It's a 4-inch inlet because that's what's on the truck right now. It's a 4 to 10. No, it's a 4 to 8 on the truck right now, and this is a 4 to 12. As you see, this big old hole here.
Put it on your head, Dev.
Oh yeah. Let's see how we had this thing. Look at that.
Hottest new DJ out.
Yeah, it's a 4 to 12. It's the spiked end, as you see. It's the spikes are cut down at an angle. It doesn't necessarily sit flat. It sits kind of sideways there, like that. So this is pretty much how it's going to be angled underneath the truck. So you see the Superman symbols on both sides are not perfectly straight, but that we were trying to go for that offset angled look. It looks really good. This is the side that we're going to see. You should see it on the
Passenger.
What was that? Yeah, as I said, the passenger side through the wheel well. You should be able to see it because I do have an axle dump on the truck. It measures like 15 inches long or something, almost 16 inches long.
Shelb's coming to check it out.
Can we get inside of it, Cat?
You can put Cobra in there. He's right behind you.
This is a full-size cat. He's 29 pounds. Look, I can fit 2 full-size cats in there. They're cougars. 29 pounds apiece. But, so this is just a little unboxing video. I got this made, like I said, at Grille Technologies out of Florida. You guys can follow them on Instagram. Really cool guy, down to earth. It's all made in-house. He does the powdering in-house himself. He put this on the computer and designed this whole thing up for me. Didn't take very long at all, only a couple of weeks, a couple of days for him and I to get the idea together. There's also a trailer hitch, a tow hitch cover to match this that he had made. He got a couple of them made that he said he'd take to a couple shows, but I had one made specifically in this black and burgundy. It's actually a candy red over top of chrome, I think he said, and that's what gives it that darkness inside there. It's nice and shiny. We're going to put it on the truck probably here in the next few days, I would believe. But that's all I got for you guys right now. If you liked this right here, please don't forget to go give them guys a follow if you like this and want to see more. They do a bunch of crazy stuff for exhaust tips and grills and anything with metal. They can do it. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hustle harder.